Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back again. In our episode of today, I am actually interested to present to you something quite interesting and quite common and quite complicated to some extent when it comes to discussing and addressing this among native speakers. And that is the problem of being in controversy or being in a debate of which dialect or which accent is better than the other. Actually, to put it in a nutshell, there is no dialect or accent that is superior or better than other accents and dialects. The whole thing is a matter of geographic distribution, and some dialects might be appealing to some people because that they prefer that kind of sound or this kind of sound. But it doesn't matter. All dialects and accents of English are common. They are equal. When it comes to social setting, there is a tendency to consider some dialects as better than other dialects because they are related or associated to certain social groups or certain areas. Like, for example, the accent of the Valley in California is common in Hollywood, and because Hollywood is a very popular place in the world, people might think that that place has a very distinctive and unique dialect or accent, or both, as opposed to the dialects and accents in New York City. So generally speaking, they are both the same. The only difference is that there are geographic differences in terms of structure, the social status or class, and the people who speak it. So don't be biased to one accent over the other. Some people might have certain preferences, but that does not mean at all that this dialect is superior or better than the other. All dialects of English and all accents of English are the same. Just keep that in mind. Have a wonderful day.